At the short interval, you go even.
Omushomo gubira hishomero rya Bwera Primary Teachers College omuri Bukonjo West District ya Kasese. Abantu bajara government ikire kurgayo kwegesa abantu bone ikikire kuvana ikikorwa mu mashomero kitari cyo mu barugo kwikiza bejugura umuntu gucendera.
A parent is a stakeholder, a pupil is a stakeholder, government, local leaders and everyone. So by not actually putting our hands together, this one leaves the teacher on the other side alone, because if we can't put our hands together, we can't realize, we shall not realize good results.
Look at how the teacher is serving today, especially in government-aided schools, and especially in the rural setup. The attitude is going down almost at a rate of 10% every year. My question is, as an educationist, what will it be after 10 years?
Whereas teachers are working, they are working not because they are willing to do so. It is because they have nothing to do and they need their jobs. But inside them, they are not at ease at all. They need something added.
Because the results must go with an input. My advice to government, therefore, if we are to look at quality, let us look at the status, the welfare of the teacher as a changer, or as a change agent in a school.
Canon David Kabugumera, or director wa Chichunguro Angel Center, kandi coordinator wa Kasese Resilience Center, nagira ngo Abashomesa bashyikire kuhindura imitekatecere yabo.
The mindset change, of course, which must work towards getting results, and especially on transformational leadership. Looking at what Kasese has gone through, especially traumatized by all these unfortunate happenings, and indeed, as head teachers were sharing, they feel they are demoralized. They don't have the stamina to concentrate on their work.
They should think outside the box so that they find alternative sources of income to supplement the salary.
Abebembeza bashyira umwanya ogu borekera okushemererwa komani okugira ngo abaturana bakiganyirwa mu project G Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.